Hello students, here is some reminder of what you need to know on your GDC. So first of all, if you want to make a scatter plot, you know you have to go to Stat and Edit. And here I have entered the population data of China with X variable being the number of years starting from 1920. And it goes in 10-yearly interval. So once you have entered the data on list 1 and list 2, you can go to second y equals, so which means statistical plot, and press enter. You make sure that the plot is turned on and you choose the scatter plot and make sure that your x and y list 1 and list 2 is correct. Or if you have put the data on some other list name like list 3 or list 4, then make sure that this is corrected. And if you press graph from now, then you will see the scatter plot. Of course, you have to adjust first the windows. In this case, you have to think how big your data is, where is your x variable starting from, and what is the maximum value, also the minimum and maximum value of y variable. So then if you press graph, you can see properly the scatter plot. So let's say you have developed algebraically a function for this data. What you can do, of course, you would like to know how well it fits your data. So then what we could do is entering the function formula onto y equals, so just a normal graph, not a statistical plot. If we put there, let's say you have developed a model exponential function that says 472 times 1.011 and then power x. Let's say if this is the algebraic exponential formula that you have developed, and we press graph, then you could see how the curve looks like and how well it fits the data. Now, of course, if you need to copy this down on your piece of paper, on your graph paper, then of course you could just approximate it, like where approximately it lies with respect to your scatter plot here. However, it might be handy to know one more thing on your calculator. Whatever formula you have entered on y equals, you can actually see the values on the table here. So this is not statistical table, this is not stat edit anymore, but you can go to second graph, so which means actually the blue table here. And you can see a list of x and y value according to that function that you have typed in. Now, of course, here then you might panic. Oh, I see only 100, starting from 135, my x value. However, you don't need to panic because you can arrange that here in table set. So if you go to second table set, so second window, then you can say, oh, my table start from 135 now. So I could actually change it. I could start from x value 0. And then since my data anyway was in 10 yearly units, so I'm just going to say, okay, every time I go further, I would like it to be in 10 steps. So in that way, if you press again second table, then you could see clearly, oh, okay, I have a couple of coordinates here, 0.472, 30, 655.36 and so on, that you can actually plot now and connect to make a smooth curve of your algebraic exponential formula. So I hope this helps you and good luck.